Andrai, eu vengo, move!
No, we're not started yet. I want you to learn some Fijian word, okay? So a lot of Fijian kids, they don't know how to speak Fijian. The Tongan, they know how to speak Tongan. The Spanish kids, they speak Spanish. Only Fijian, there's a problem with Fijian. They cannot talk in their own dialect.
Cause you never teach us the language.
So now I'm going to teach you. Okay? Nada mga Sicily. Sa Sicily oji?
Did you go take a shower?
No, you have to speak in Fijian. Come on, let's talk.
Oile!
Come here.
Senga!
Hey. Apa kau kau cakap sabu dah sabu kau bayu?
Senga!
Senga dah apa?
Senga!
Mai.
Senga!
You call it wood in the cool, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's. Sabu mana buli? Sabu mana buli?
Senga Nikila.
Look at me when you talk.
Senga Nikila.
I want to know what all the words you know in Fijian.
Mandrai, Luvengu, Mother, Vinaka, Mbula. That's it.
What is Teveli?
Table. I think.
Hilo? Huh?
Senga Nikila.
It's a mirror.
Oh.
Valnisili?
Huh?
Valnisili.
I don't know.
Valnivo? What is vo?
Go take a shit.
Senga.
Yeah.
Mode?
Bye.
Bed. Dambi?
Sitter?
What?
A babysitter that's inside you.
Dambi. So what?
Senga Nikila.
Neighbor. I keep on sending them a map every week. And I put 2 dots.
Hey, dude, Carlos. Don't you help your relatives in Mexico? Yeah, I called them the lazy part of the family that didn't want to come on the trip. Well, don't you help them? Yeah, I send them a map every year. 1 dot here and the other dot here. 1 is for you and 1 is for me. Hurry up, puto.
What about Chichen Chow? The smoking weed.
You know my little gringos, man. She's smoking on that stuff like 24/7. Yeah. Yeah.
Gringo.
My gringo. My puquitas. Puta. Woo. Dude, I feel crippled. My boss feel crippled.
Okay, what about Arnold Schwarzenegger?
I can't do him.
Try.
Get down, get to the chopper now. What? Get down, get to the chopper now.
No, but the African guy.
Español. Uchi mama. Hey, uchi mama. Uchi mama. Uchi mama.
Matumba. What's his name? Matumba?
I don't know. Matumba, why don't you play with the line? I'm not playing with that motherfucker. I forgot the rest. That's not in my brochure. When my shift is over, I'm going back to my children, Mungala, Mungulu, and I leave you in the car singing, Spanya, uchi mama, hey, uchi mama. Ladies and gentlemen, goodbye.